Experiencing a no service error on your Simple Mobile hotspot can be frustrating. This section provides an overview of the primary causes and how to address them. The main culprits are SIM card problems, coverage issues, and activation failures. For SIM problems, ensure the card is properly inserted, undamaged, and activated with an active Simple Mobile plan. Coverage issues arise from weak cellular signals, often due to distance from towers, obstructions like buildings, or weather disruptions. Activation problems usually occur during initial setup and involve verifying your IMEI and account details via the Simple Mobile app or website. Knowing these fundamentals is the first step to resolving the issue quickly. Remember to check your SIM, coverage map, and account status first. For SIM issues, first power cycle your hotspot by turning it off and on again. Next, remove and reinsert the SIM card, ensuring it's properly seated. If that doesn't work, clean the SIM slot with compressed air. For coverage problems, consult Simple Mobile's coverage map via their app or website. Try moving to a location with a clearer view of the sky or higher elevation. For activation problems, double-check your account details, especially the billing zip code, which is a common error. Ensure you're using the latest version of the Simple Mobile app. If issues persist, use the app's self-service portal to remotely reset the hotspot. Contact Simple Mobile's customer support for assistance. Keep your hotspot firmware updated for the latest fixes. Following these steps should resolve most no-service issues.